Is the screen visible? Am I audible? Please do let me know in the chat box. Yes? Okay, if yes, then good. Topic is same. Today also we will do distance, time and speed and the previous year question of distance, time and speed. Okay, everyone? We are going to do distance, time and speed, PYQ questions just like we did in the last class. I have some more questions for you. Okay, let's understand here. The question is, a boat is rowing in still water at the speed at the speed of 18 kilometer per hour. Find speed of boat in meter per second. This is from the Sainik school, beta. Previous year question from Sainik school. Each and every question that we do here in the class, you can find in Bharti publication book. Okay, you can refer to the book. And here you go, the very first and the easy question. Quickly answer me. Here you go. Quickly answer me. 18 kilometer per hour, you have to convert in meter per second. Okay. Swastik, Sudeep, and Sanvi, very good there. First three to answer me. But only 17 of you have given me the correct answer. And 32 of you have given me the wrong answer, beta. 32. Oops. This one was the easiest one, right? This one was easiest one. How you will do it? See, always to remember, dear. All and I know some of you are messaging in the chat box that ma'am, black lines are coming. So, beta, that is not because of anything related with the internet. That is just because sometimes when I take class from the teachment, black lines there are automatically in the phone. Okay, so I have to be moving like this if I don't want any black lines. So, if there is any black lines today, please be patient. If you have any problem, you can raise your hand and then you can ask me. Okay, I have to convert this 18 kilometer per hour into meter per second. And it is so easy. I know that conversion of kilometer per hour into meter per second is very easy because I simply have to multiply it by 5 upon 18, right? Kilometer per hour into meter per second. Just multiply by 5 upon 18, right? Now just simplify it. 18 1 is 18, 18 1 is 18. You are left with only 5. That is why your answer is 5 meter per second. Answer is 5 meter per second. Okay? Please note this down there. So many hand raises. Yes, Mahit. I will tell the name, call out the name and wait only for 5 seconds. Be ready with your mic. Mahit,
Is not visible.
beta, if not visible, exit and rejoin. For whom the screen is not visible, there, exit and rejoin. Yes, Hanshuman, quickly. Hanshuman, beta, you're not audible. Do ask in the chat box. Zehazil, quickly.
MS, I didn't heard it.
Pardon, beta, Zehazil. Pardev, okay. I'm explaining this once more. Everyone can lower down the hand. Yes, Ayana. Ayana, not audible, beta. Yes, Litika Shri.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of M, ma'am? M.
M is meter per second, beta. You were absent in the classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you watch the recordings here?
Ma'am, I will
No,
watch.
ma'am. I know, beta. I know each one of you. Beta, if you don't watch the recordings and you be absent in the class, so you will face the consequences, right? This is most probably the last class of distance, time, and speed. You were absent from so many days, Litika. How will you get it? But I will try myself that whatever question we do today in the class, at least you get something. There is some output, okay? This question is easy. Conversion of 18 kilometer per hour into meter per second. I'm explaining this for the last time. Whenever you convert kilometer per hour into meter per second there, you multiply by 5 upon 18. 18 into 5 upon 18, you are left with only 5. 5 meter per second is your answer. That is option D. Okay, the next question. And it's a request, beta. This is not the digital board. You will ask me to show the previous slide. Take the screenshot as soon as I write the question. Okay, here you go. The next question. This is from Sanic School 2023. And you can find this question in Bharati publication book. A train covers a distance of 1862 kilometer with a speed of 98 kilometer per hour. Find the time taken by the train to complete the journey. Okay. You have to find the time. 17 hours, 23 hours, 19 hours, or 21 hours. And here you go. Quickly answer me. Everyone, go for it there. And let me see who is the first one to answer this time. Okay, let me see who is the first one. Okay, Shivansh, Charan, and Bhumika. First three to answer me. Almost 29 of you have given me the correct answer. Very smart, everyone. Okay, let's see. This question was also very easy, beta. Very easy. Why? Because when you read the question says that a train covers a distance of 1862 kilometer. 1862 kilometer. Speed is 98 kilometer per hour. You just have to find the time. So time ka formula everyone knows. Distance upon speed. Distance is 1862 upon me 98, right? Now just simplify 1862 upon 98. I think 98 is divisible by 7, right? In 14 times. And if I talk about 1862, 1862 is also divisible by 7 in 266 times. 14 and 266, again it is divisible by 7. You can divide yourself and see. 7 twos are 14 and this is 3 8. 38 into 7 is 266. Now 38 is divisible by 2. 19 times me. So 19 hours is your answer, which is option C. 19 hours is your answer, that is option C. Distance given in the question, right? Distance is given in the question. Everyone, you can lower down your hand, beta. I'm explaining this once more. You can lower down your hand, everyone. Okay, I'm explaining this once more. The train covers a distance of 1862 kilometer, right? I know the distance that is 1862 kilometer. Now, further the question says speed is 98 kilometer per hour. I know the speed as well, 98 kilometer per hour. I have to find what? Time. Now, time ka formula everyone knows. What is time? Time is distance upon me speed, right? Distance upon me speed. Distance is in kilometers, so 1862. And speed is also in kilometer per hour. So I don't have to convert anything. I will write 1862 in the place of distance, 98 in the place of speed. And now I will simplify. 1862, you can divide by 7, you will get 266, right? 266. 266. And 98 divided 7, you will get 14. Now this 266 and 14 both are divisible by 7 beta. If you divide 266 by 7, you get 38. And 14 divided 7, you get 2. Now 38 and 2, you can divide this 38 by 2, right? So 38 divided 2, you get 19 hours as your answer. 19 hours as your answer. And it is that easy, dear. In examination, you have these easy questions, okay? All the easy question comes in the examination. Please take the screenshot. I'm going to rub it. The next question you have is from JNV 2023. Okay. A 1 kilometer long train is running at a speed of 45 kilometer per hour. Okay. 1 kilometer long train is running at a speed of 45 kilometer per hour. The time taken by the train to pass through a 2 kilometer tunnel is what? 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 4 minutes. Okay, and you can answer me quickly. This one is easy, dear. This question is from JNV 2023. And let us see who is the first one to answer this time. Vihas, Harshit, and Anurag Maji. Very good, dear. First three to answer me. But very less of you have answered correctly. Though it was very easy. I think you did not get the question, right? Okay, let us see, dear. The question says here that you, not you, but in the question, there is 1 kilometer long train. Okay, the length of train is 1 kilometer. And the speed of train is 45 kilometer per hour. Further, the question says, what will be the time taken by the train if the train passes a tunnel and the length of the tunnel is 2 kilometers? We have been learning this question, beta, since last two classes. That whenever there is a train question and if in the question tunnel or bridge is involved, tunnel or bridge is involved, always do remember that the total distance will be length of train plus length of the bridge or the tunnel. So here in this question I have tunnel. So the total distance covered by the train is length of train plus length of tunnel. And length of train is given in the question, that is 1 kilometer. Length of tunnel is also given in the question, that is 2 kilometer. So 1 plus 2 is 3 kilometer. Till here, we knew that the distance traveled by the train is 1 plus 2, 3 kilometer. Now, I know the speed as well of the train. Speed is how much? Speed is 45 kilometer per hour. And it's given in the question. I don't have to find it out or convert anything. Distance is in kilometer, speed is in kilometer per hour. So I need not change anything. I need not convert the speed or the distance. Now, if I have to find the time beta, what will I do? Simple. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Formula for time. Distance is 3 kilometer and speed is 45 kilometer. Right? Just solve it. 3 1 is 3 and 3 into 15 is 45. My answer is 1 upon 15 hour. But when I see the question, in the question, options are not in hour. It is in minutes. Now, I have to convert this hour into minute. Whenever you convert hour into minute, you multiply it by what? 60. Conversion of hour into minute, you multiply it by 60. Okay? Because 1 hour has 60 minutes. So 1 upon 15 into 60. 15 1 is 15 and 15 4 is 60. 4 minutes is my answer. That is option D. 4 minutes is my answer. That is option D. Quickly write this beta. Take the screenshot. Okay, Devayush want me to explain this again. Okay, Mahit and Pardev and Gahan, if you want me to explain this again, you can lower down your hand here. If you want to explain this, me to explain this again, please lower down your hands. Yes, Mahit, tell me. Beta Mahit, if you don't want to say something, please don't raise your hand unnecessarily, dear. It's a request. Yes, Rachna. Rachna.
Ma'am, can you please tell me the divisible rules of all the numbers, ma'am?
For that, the video is available, Rachna. You can watch it, the divisibility rule of each and every number. And when after we finish all the chapters and when I become in the revision mode, I will for sure teach you all the divisibility rules again. Okay, dear? But right now we are in the distance time speed chapter beta. Please try to understand that in between this chapter, I cannot start the divisibility rule. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
But for sure, beta, I will teach you in the revision mode. For sure. I will remember it. Yes, Litika?
Ma'am, tunnel means?
Tunnel is how to explain it. Tunnel is, do you understand Hindi, Litika?
Ma'am, I can understand.
Okay, but I have another English word for it. So tunnel is basically just like a cave, okay? That has open endings, okay? Just like a cave, but two open endings. Like both the sides, it's open. Okay, so whenever a train has to pass through any kind of mountains, so the tunnel is being formed there. So is it just like a cave, but with both side open? Yes, Sajid, quickly, and then I'll move to the next. Sajid, beta, you're not audible. Please ask in the chat box there. Okay, see, I'm explaining this question once more, beta, because 2, 3 of you have asked me, Pardev and Devayush and Gahan. Okay, see, a 1 kilometer long train is running at a speed of 45 kilometer per hour. Means length of train is 1 kilometer, speed of train is 45 kilometer per hour. Further, the question says that the train passes through a 2 kilometer tunnel. Find out the time. Okay, find out the time. Whenever we do train questions, beta, and tunnel or bridge is involved, total distance covered by the train is length of train plus length of tunnel or the length of bridge, whatever is given. Length of train is 1 kilometer. Length of tunnel is 2 kilometer. Both are given in the question. So total distance traveled by the train is 1 plus 2, 3 kilometer. Speed is 45 kilometer. I will find the time. Time का formula distance upon में speed. Distance is 3. Speed is 45. Now just simplify it. So 3 1 is 3 and 3 into 15 is 45. 1 upon 15 hour is my answer. But in the option, I have in minutes. Time is given in minutes. I will convert 1 upon 15 hour into minutes. And conversion of hour into minutes, you must multiply by 60. So 1 upon 50 into 60. 60 divided 50, it's 4. So 4 minutes is your answer. That is option D. Quickly take the screenshot. I'm going to give you the another question. Yes, here you go. Here you go. The next question. Next question is from RMS 2024. If Manu cycles at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour instead of 25 kilometer per hour, he would be able to cover 30 kilometer more. Find the actual distance covered by him. And the options are 50 kilometer, 25 kilometer, 40 kilometer, and 80 kilometer. And let me start the poll for you. Just a second. Here you go. Quickly, dear. Let me see who is the first one to give me the answer this time. Correct answer. Okay, let me see who is the first three. Yes, Parthiv, Mansi, Kartike. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 19 of you have given me the correct answer, but that is very less as per the strength of the class here. Very less. Okay. Yes, Dinesh, what happened?
Is the actual distance covered, and the man cycles at 40 kilometers per hour. And he traveled for 2 hours so that he can cover 30 kilometers extra. So it becomes 80, right? Or it became 50.
Okay, let us see, dear. Let us see how it becomes 50. Let us see. The question says, beta, that Manu cycles for at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, Manu cycles at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour instead of 5 kilometer per hour. From here, we can derive that original speed was 25 kilometer per hour, and the new speed is 40 kilometer per hour, right? Because actually he was to cycle with the speed of 25 kilometer per hour, right? But he has his own new speed, that is 40 kilometer per hour. 40 kilometer per hour. Now, the question says here that the question says, if he increases his speed, he would be able to cover 30 kilometer more. Matlab, actually he has not increased his speed. Actually, while reading this line, I come to know it's written he would be able to cover 30 kilometer more. That means the original speed is 25 kilometer. If he used the speed of 40 kilometer per hour, he would have covered 30 kilometer more. Dinesh, your doubt would be clear right now. This 40 kilometer per hour, beta, is the speed he wanted, but original speed is 25 kilometer per hour, Dinesh. Okay? Now, I don't know the time. I don't know the time. So let me assume that he must have taken X hours. You can take anything, beta. You can take A, B, C, D, whatever. But I just assume that he must have taken X hours to complete the journey. So distance is what, dear? Distance is speed into time. Distance is speed into time. If he traveled with the speed of 40 kilometer per hour, the distance would be 40x. And if he traveled with the speed of 25 kilometer per hour, the distance would have been 25x, right? And the question says, if he traveled with the speed of 40 kilometer per hour, he would have 30 kilometer more distance. That means 40x minus 25x is equal to 30. 15x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 upon my 15. That is 2. Now I got to know that the time taken by Manu is 2 hours. Time taken by Manu is 2 hours because x ki value is 2. What is the actual distance? So actual distance will be with the original speed, right? Actually, the speed of Manu was 25 kilometer per hour. That's why 2 into 25, 50 kilometer. 2 into 25, 50 kilometer is your answer. You will not multiply 2 by 40 because this is the speed Manu wanted. If Manu would have this speed, then he would have 30 kilometer more. Okay. would word is written. That means it is just an assumption that if the speed was 40 kilometer, he would have covered 30 kilometer more. So you will multiply 2 by 25 and not by 40. Okay, so I have so many hand raises, 6 hand raises. Those who want me to explain this once more, you can lower down your hand. Those who want me to explain once more, you can lower down your hand. Okay. Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, in this, why we can't do the simplification by 15, no, ma'am? 15 will come, 30 will come 10 in 3 table, ma'am. And if we multiply 10 by 10 into 5, we will.
Because we always do the calculation which is easy. 15 ka table is easy for me. I know 15 twos are 30. That is why I will not divide this 30 and 15 by 5 or 3 or any other number. Directly, I will cut this 30 by 15. If you want, you can divide it, but that is a very time-taking process, Gahan. Yes, Kavya Sahi.
Take 15 there.
Pardon, Kavya?
Ma'am, why do you take 15?
40 minus 25 is 15, Kavya. Aksht Subhash. Aksht Subhash. EN 6130, beta. Yes, dear, you have raised your hand. You,
Your screen is not visible, ma'am.
beta, if it is not visible, please exit and rejoin. For those whose the screen is not visible, please exit and rejoin. Yes, K. Charan Kumar.
Share the screen.
Screen? Beta, screen is visible, dear.
No, ma'am. Lishant scare the. Ma'am, Lishant is that what sharing screen, ma'am. Lishant.
Nishant is. Do one thing, dear. Pin my video. Okay? Pin my video.
Okay, ma'am.
And Lishant, I will just kick you out of the class there. You never give me the correct answers. You are always the one who disturbs the class. If you don't want to study, why do you join the class? Be happy at your home. No need to join the class. Those who don't want to study, just keep quiet. Why are you sharing your screen or disturbing the other students, even in the chat box? I don't know why your parents don't sit beside you. Everyone should make their parents sit beside themselves so that your parents would also see what you study in the class and they will look after all your deeds. Lishan, seriously, I think it is high time I should talk to your parents. I'm watching all your deeds since last so many days, Lishan. You can leave my class, Lishant, if you want to. If you don't want to study, just leave the class. Who are you to share the screen in the class? Okay, everyone. Okay, for those who did not understand this question there, please look on the board once more. We shall learn it, okay? 1 minute, I'll just disallow your chat. You all are not worth it. You all are not worth it. Okay, see. If Manu cycles at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, if Manu cycles at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour, instead of 25 kilometer per hour, he would have able to cover 30 kilometer more. That means if the speed of Manu, the original speed, which is 25 kilometer per hour, was changed to 40 kilometer per hour, he would have covered 30 kilometer more. I don't know what's the time taken by Manu. So I just assume that time is X hours. Time taken to cover the distance is X hours. Distance, I know it is speed into time, right? Speed into time. If the speed is 40 kilometer per hour, my distance would be 40 into x, 40x. If the speed is 25 kilometer per hour, my distance would be 25 into x, that is 25x. According to the question, 40x minus 25x is equal to 30 kilometer. 40 minus 25 is 15. 15x is equal to 30 kilometer. X is equal to 30 upon my 15. That is 2 hours. Now I know the time. Time is 2 hours. Distance, actual distance is equal to 2 into actual speed, right? Actual speed. And actual speed was beta 25 kilometer per hour. That is why 2 into 25, 50 kilometer. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Please take the screenshot, everyone. And then I'm going to give you the another question. But I'll just take the hand raises for the last. Yes, Sherlyn.
Hi, good evening, ma'am. I didn't understand that how 40x minus 24x equals to 30 kilometers, then 15x equals to 30.
Because it is mentioned in the question, Sherlyn. Okay, it is mentioned in the question that if the speed was 40 kilometer instead of 25 kilometer, he could have covered 30 kilometer more. So the distance covered with this speed is more as per the distance covered in this speed. How much more? 30. That's why 40 minus 25 is equal to 30 beta. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, this one is too easy. This one is from JNV 2022. Okay, a train starts at 2:15 p.m. from a station at a speed of 72 kilometer per hour. At what time will it reach the other station ,90 kilometer away? You have to find the time, okay? Is it 3 p.m.? Is it 3:30 p.m.? Or it's 4 p.m.? Or it's 4:30 p.m.? Quickly answer me. Here you go. Answer me in poll. Here you go. Okay, let me see. Advaya, Lavanish, Anurag Mazi, very good beta. First three to answer me. 34 of you have given me the correct answer. Very smart. Let's see how we will do this question. See, beta. The question says a train starts at 2:15 p.m. from a station at a speed of 72 kilometer per hour. So I know my speed, not my speed, but the speed of the train, that is 72 kilometer per hour. Now, further the question says, at what time will it reach the other station, which is 90 kilometer away? That means the distance that train has to cover is 90 kilometer. So now, isn't it easy there? I know the distance, that is 90 kilometer. I know the speed, that is 72 kilometer per hour. I shall calculate the time. So 90 upon 72. If you want, you can divide it by 9. If you want, you can divide it by 3. If you want, you can divide it by 18 also. I know the table of 18. Acha, chodo, 18 chodo. You will tell, ma'am, 18 ka table I don't remember. But 9 ka table everyone knows, right? So you can easily tell me 9 10 is 90 and 9 8 is 72. So you will divide this 90 by 9. So 10, 72 divided 9 is 8. Now 10 upon 8 also divisible by 2. 5 by 4. The time is 5 by 4 hours. 5 by 4 hours. But I have to find exactly the time which is in the clock, right? So 5 by 4 hours, you can write what? 1 by 4 hours. 1 by 4 hours means this 1 by 4, this 1 hour is a complete hour. 1 hour is a complete hour, but this 1 by 4 hour, you can convert this 1 by 4 hour into minutes. And we just learned that converting into minutes means what? Multiply by 60. 4 1 is 4 and 4 into 15 is 60. So my answer would be what? 1 hour, 15 minutes. 1 hour, 15 minutes. The time is 2:15. I will add 1 hour, 15 minutes in it. So the new time is 3:30 p.m. The new time is 3:30 p.m. Okay. Those who want me to explain it again dear, you can lower down your hand and then I shall take the hand raises if some specific doubts. If you want me to explain this question again, please lower down your hand. And raise your hand only for the doubts, okay? Don't tell me they're spamming in the chat box, the screen not working. Don't tell me the other things, okay? Yes, Nikumto.
Did we convert?
Quickly.
Ma'am, how did we convert 5 by 4 hours into 1?
Okay.
That's
Okay, beta. Explaining this. Just wait a second. I'm explaining it to you. Yes, you will.
what covered the mixed fraction? After
What about
after fraction, you wrote 1 by 4 and you done the box. After that, you done the arrow mark.
got it, you win? I got it. I got your doubt. This particular section. Okay, I'll explain it to you. Yes, Devayush. First, let me collect the doubts. Okay.
Ma'am, what you have written after will it?
Reach. REACH.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Gahan.
5/4 hours convert into mixed fraction, ma'am.
Okay, I got your doubt. I'm explaining this. Everyone has doubt this 5 by 4 into hours. Okay, got it. Yes, G Mahit, quickly, dear.
Madam, Aarti publication book where will buy?
Pardon, beta. Beta J Mahit, I could not hear you. You can please write in the chat box here. Yes, Arav Sharma, quickly.
Sharing screen.
Pin my video, beta. There won't be any problem. Yes, Rachna.
Ma'am, how 1/1 hour, 1/4 hour came, ma'am?
Got it, beta. Rachna. Got it. Everyone has problem in conversion of hours into minute. Okay. So let us understand how we will do it. I'm rubbing it. Okay. I'm just explaining the conversion. See, if you want to take out the time data, you will do what? Distance upon speed, right? Distance upon speed, and distance is 90 kilometer. Speed is 72 kilometer. When you simplify 90 by 72, you get 5 by 4. You get 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 R is my answer. But actually, I want answer in the time of the clock. So this 5 by 4 R beta, you have to convert into hour as well as minutes. How you will do it? So this 5 by 4, you will write 1 by 4 R. Conversion of improper into mixed fraction. You know how do we convert beta? So 5 को you will divide by 4. 1 times ने 4. Remainder is 1, right? So denominator would remain the same. Whatever is the quotient, you write in the side. Whatever is the remainder, you write at the top. So 1 whole 1 by 4 is my answer in hours. So beta 1 whole 1 by 4, right? So this is 1 hour and this is 1 by 4 hours. 1 hour and 1 by 4 hours. So 1 hour is already in hour. But this 1 by 4 hour, you have to convert this into minutes. Always to remember, whenever you convert hour into minutes, dear, you multiply by 60. Okay? Conversion of hour into minutes, you multiply by 60. So what you will do? You will do 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4 hours. You have to convert this into minutes. So I will multiply this by 60. 4 1 is 4 and 4 into 15 is 60. So 1 by 4 hour is equal to 15 minutes. Total time is how much? 1 hour plus 15 minutes. 1 hour, 15 minutes. This is the total time taken by the train. Now, the train started at 2:15 p.m. And after 1 hour 15 minutes, what will be the time? So I will add 1:15 minutes into it, right? So it becomes 3:30 p.m. That is option B, your answer. Yes, Gahan?
Ma'am, it is a train question, then why will not do that formula, ma'am?
Which formula, dear?
Ma'am,
We use the formula distance upon speed, dear.
ma'am, no, ma'am. Length of train plus length of bridge or tunnel, ma'am.
Is the length of train or length of bridge is given in the question, Gahan?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
In my question, only the distance and the speed is given, beta. So we can easily calculate the time distance upon speed. That is 90 by 72. Got it, Gahan?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Anyone else there? Any doubt? No one? Okay, dear. If you have no doubts, then that's it for today. Please practice more and more questions from Bharti publication book. Okay, those who want to buy Bharti publication book, you can connect with the help support for it. And whatever doubt you have from the book, please do send in the Ask Doubt session. Okay, please do send in the Ask Doubt session. Yes, Dhanvir, quickly.
At 2 hours 15 p.m. plus 1 hour 15 p.m.
Beta, 15 plus 15 is 30. 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, Dehazil, quickly.
Understand about how did the 3:30 p.m. came. The train started in
2:15.
2:15. So how much? For 1
2:15.
hour,
Yes.
how many kilometers it will reach?
Beta, 2:15 say if you calculate 1 hour, so 3:15. And 3:15 may 15 minutes more you will add. So 3:30, beta. Yes, Ritesh Ram.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we booked Bharti publication book, ma'am, but it is still not came, ma'am.
You can connect with the health support for it, beta. For the book, you can connect with the health support there. Okay. And I have shared the number with you all. Please connect on that number. You can ask about your book. Okay, everyone. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Practice more and more questions from Bharti Publication book and send your doubts in the Ask Doubt session. Bye, everyone.